Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's good to see you guys once again, and today we're having a minimalist student room makeover happening in my room, and we're doing it together. I can't wait to see the results, and I hope you're going to wait to see the final result because it's going to be mind-blowing. My room is in a total mess right now. I'm going to show you guys a video. This is what my room looks like right now. It's a total mess. There are lots of makeup flying around on the table and on the bed. We have some clothes and bags going up there. Apologies, but really I've been doing a lot of moving in and moving out in this room. The room was formerly brown. The walls of the room were brown, so I had to change it. I called a painter to paint it in color white for me, and also a lot of moving in and out for the painter, and also I've been buying some stuffs to use in the room. I want to show you guys some of the new stuff I bought for the room makeover. So I bought a clothes rack. This I'm going to put the description of where to get all these stuffs down below. I also bought this spray paint white for my AC. The AC color right now is cream color and I want it in white, so I bought this spray paint. So I also got a chiffon curtain. So actually you would say this is white, but it's actually off-white because I was looking for the white. I didn't get the white, so I got the off-white. I also got myself a jewelry stand. So all you need to do is to place this here. And that's it. So you can put your rings, earrings, you can drop your chains, and you can also put them here. So also for the curtain, I got the fittings, the ones that you place on the wall. So I got the fittings all together with this long pole. So depending on the inches you want. So I got all this together. I also got myself high quality bedspread in white with pillowcase. So let's start cleaning.